Welcome to the Professional Diploma in Small Business Management. In this opening lecture, I want to give you a clear idea of what this course is all about and how it will help you, whether you already run a small business or dream of starting one. You are in the right place. This course has been designed with practical knowledge, real-world strategies, and easy-to-apply methods that you can use immediately in your business journey. Throughout the course, we will move step by step, starting with the foundations of what makes small businesses succeed. You will explore how to create a strong vision, build an effective business plan, and understand the legal and financial structures that support your operations. From there, we will move into the areas that often decide whether a business grows or struggles, such as marketing, sales, team management, and customer relationships. As we progress, you will learn not just how to run your business day to day, but also how to think like a leader who can adapt to challenges, seize opportunities, and prepare for the future. We'll explore digital tools and innovations that can give even the smallest businesses a competitive edge, as well as strategies to protect your business and ensure it continues to grow. This course is divided into 10 sections, each carefully designed to build on the one before it. In the first sections, you will cover the basics of small business management. Then we move into planning, finance, operations, and productivity. From there, you will dive into marketing and sales strategies that make customers notice and trust your business. Later, we will tackle human resources, leadership, and creating a strong company culture. In the final sections, you will discover how to use technology, manage risks, and plan for the long term. By the end of the course, you will not only have knowledge, but also a clear roadmap of skills, methods, and tools that will allow you to manage, grow, and sustain a successful small business. Think of this as your step-by-step guide to building confidence as a business owner and equipping yourself with professional skills that truly matter. So let's get started. In the next lecture, we'll look at the role small businesses play in the global economy and why they are so important for growth, innovation, and opportunity.